Good afternoon. The court will take up the next case, cause number C200151 CPS. This is in the interest of Adrian Garcia, a child. The case is set for a permanency hearing and pre-trial. The case is currently set for trial August 18, 2021 at 2 p.m. with a dismissal date of October 18, 2021. The hearing is being conducted pursuant to emergency orders of the Texas Supreme Court via Zoom video conference. Participating in the hearing today on behalf of the department is, I believe, caseworker Misty Martinez, Supervisor Robert Walker, and Regional Attorney Deborah Keenum. The mother of the child is Maria Martinez, I believe. And is she on our conference?
I see an LG Style 4 phone. I don't know if that is her.
If you're on the device labeled LG Stylo 4, could you unmute your device and let us know who you are, please? Well, right now that's not showing as having a connection video or audio. I'll come back to that in just a moment. There is no father of the child. Parental rights been previously terminated. The attorney ad litem and guardian ad litem for the child is Brad Harrelson, and Mr. Harrelson is present and has also filed a statement with the court. The child is excused from participating in the hearing today. See, Ms. Martinez, do you have a number you could reach the mother at? I don't know if that is her on the LG Stylo 4, but right now I'm showing no audio or video connection.
Yeah, I'll send her a text right now. I met with her on Thursday at the house, and so she knew of the hearing and said she would be on, so it may be her.
Okay, well, and you know, there's a number she can call into if she's having difficulty that way connecting, but she also has to hit join audio sometimes to connect.
Okay.
Okay, let's see, Ms. Martinez, are you able to hear us?
I am, yes.
No, I'm sorry, I was speaking.
The other Martinez.
The mother at this point. I see a video now, but I don't see her connected audio. If she can hit the connect audio, that may solve her problem.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, I can hear you now.
Okay. I'm like, I can hear everything and I'm like pushing things. I'm like, why can they not hear me?
Yeah, sometimes technology has its own mind. All right, we'll go ahead and proceed at this point. Mr. Walker, Miss Martinez, and Miss Martinez, if each of you could raise your right hands, please. Each of you solemnly swear affirm any testimony you give today before the court will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
All right, thank you. If we're ready then, Ms. Keenum.
Yes, Your Honor, the department would call Misty Martinez.
All right, go ahead.
Ms. Martinez, would you please update the court on how Adrian is doing in his current placement?
Yes, actually I talked to his counselor Danielle Bryant on Friday about 6 o'clock, and she is working on, actually she did a discharge. I just got it about 30 minutes ago. So he's done great with the program. She thinks he's ready to go home. She sent me a discharge. So I will be working on getting him home, hopefully next week before school starts.
And that will be returned to his mom, Maria?
Yes.
And then what type of wraparound services are you looking at putting in place to assist both Adrian and his mom with that transition?
We will find him a psychiatrist, and he will also have a counselor. And Ryan, the younger brother, will continue with his counseling as well.
Pass the witness. That's great news.
All right, thank you. Mr. Harrelson, did you have any questions for Ms. Martinez?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. All right. Any other witnesses from the department, Ms. Keenum?
No, Your Honor.
And Mr. Harrelson, do you have any objection to the plan of the child being returned to Ms. Martinez, the mother's care?
Your Honor, that's been the hoped for goal from the beginning of this case. And so, and I see Ms. Martinez, Maria Martinez nodding her head. So I think it's great.
Okay, thank you. Mrs. Maria Martinez, my understanding is hopefully we can have Adrian back in your home by next week. I'm assuming you're in agreement with that, him coming back with the other services that'll be provided by the department. Is that right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Is there anything else you'd like the court to know about the case at this point?
No, I'm just ready for him to come home. We miss him a lot.
Okay. Well, from what I've read, he is ready to come home as well. So I appreciate everything you've done and he's done, and hopefully this will be a good reunion. But I assume what we're doing in respect is a monitor return at this point. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor. With that announcement, the department will be filing a motion for monitored return. And if all parties are in agreement, then it would be an agreed monitored return. Mom, you're in agreement for your child to be returned to you. That's correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Harrelson?
Yes, I'm in full agreement.
So it'll be an agreed monitored return, and we'll be filing that paperwork next week, Your Honor.
Thank you. At the court, based on the evidence presented after hearing the announcements, the parties will approve the monitor return that's being requested by the department with the child to remain in the department's temporary managing conservator, but to be placed back with his mother. As soon as the department can make arrangements to do that, the department will continue as temporary managing conservator, have the right to make announced and unannounced visits to the home to check on the safety and welfare of the child, and remove the child from that placement if necessary to protect the safety and welfare of the child. Ms. Martinez, the department will be there to try to help things go well once he's returned. So I'd encourage you to visit with him if you have issues or problems as it goes forward. Part of the reason why they're there is to try to help keep the child there in that placement once he's back. So
yes, sir.
encourage you
Thank
to do
you
so.
so much.
All right, we're going to vacate the trial that's set August 18, 2021, and it'll be reset on a date to be announced by the court. And the dismissal date for the case will be extended pursuant to the statute relating to monitor returns. And we'll be setting another permanency hearing also to be on a date to be announced. All right, good luck to you, Ms. Martinez. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right, we're adjourned for the day. Thank you.